Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing WoodSpring Suites Miami Southwest. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are free parking, pet-friendly and a free Wi-Fi. WoodSpring Suites Miami Southwest is 2.7 miles from Zoo Miami. A 24/7 guest laundry room is provided. Complimentary Wi-Fi is provided for all guests. Rooms feature a flat-screen TV with cable channels. A kitchenette is provided as well. A dining table and chairs are also included. Vending machines are available on site. Miami is 16 miles from WoodSpring Suites Miami Southwest. Miami International Airport is 14 miles away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.